Are you an entrepreneur, solopreneur, or knowledge worker, and you're feeling overwhelmed with the barrage of information coming at you? Emails, text, WhatsApp, Slack, Teams messages, and a whole bunch of these other tools that keep coming at you. You're looking for that perfect platform, that tool, that unicorn tool to solve your problems. Maybe if I install this tool or that tool, then I'll finally be able to organize myself and my life and my business and get myself to $1 million. Well, take a step back. Maybe there isn't a perfect tool or perfect platform, but instead it's about understanding the mediums of communication, when and how to use them. It's not about what you have, but how you use what you have. Think of this. There's a book called The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss. He talks about structuring your day and your team and your framework in different ways of communicating. There's concept of time blocking. So for example, in your mornings, you will address emails. In your afternoon, you will address like instant communication, collaboration, like Slacks and Teams. And then maybe at the end of the day, you might have a quick phone call. So it's not always about using all the mediums all the time. And also different mediums are for different purpose. So for example, sending an email doesn't mean you're going to expect a response immediately. An email may mean a response within 1 day, maybe up to 5 business days. Sending a Teams message or Slack message, maybe or WhatsApp group message, maybe you'll get a response within 1 to 5 hours. Text message, similar applies. A phone call, you probably expect within 5 minutes a response if someone is currently occupied. Then that's an immediate communication. But it's not all the time that you should be using your phone. Sometimes people are preoccupied. When to use the email? Email is generally used to cover your assets, keep track of critical information, business processes and procedures, and documentation of your systems, and maybe like invoices and these kinds of information. These are information that's going to be tracked and recorded and stored. That's typically within an email. Communications like Teams and Slack, that's collaboration. Information that's continuous and in flux is not necessarily the truth of information or the facts of information. This is information that is always in flow. When to send maybe a quick response message is generally like a text. So for example, you're out in the field and you're trying to close a business deal, but you want to check back with headquarters. Should we do project A, project B, and then you send a quick message, yes, project A, therefore you move forward in that direction. That's generally when you want to send a text message just for confirmation, not collaboration. But let's say there is an incident and you're out in the field and you need to get quick, immediate feedback and response, then that's a phone call. So again, if you guys would like me to dig deeper into these ideas and frameworks and concepts, please leave a comment below and I'll leave a link to the book in the description. And thank you for watching.